Kanyo Trip Youth Council West Khas Hills rangkat ka Dorbar Shnong Rwiang menta ka sngi ka arfu artrik unai lor kalahir ban Khang Tala ya ka office jong ka ferro alloy factory Rwiang bat phakang shutdown no ya baro ki Karkhana ferro alloy hadian ba ka wei ka Longkmie na ka Shnong Rwiang ka laja bat la Suba Shah Rahbor da wei ubar jela ka sengala pan paw ya ka jing saukhia ya ka jing ai lai lan jong ki factory ya la ujong unong trei klemdon kanu ka jing te kendon kumtah ka arpotrik menta ubnai ka Shnong galarai ban Khang Shua ya ketika Karkhana Henry kelapli no henin kesngi laong ba kini ka pau ba ketika Karkhana kimburam satya ya ka Shnong kumtah ka Shnong kala kerpa ya ka HYC West Khas Hills bat menta kila Khang Shua ya kani kaseng leng ba jong usamla lumlang khas imli president kala ay ya ka jingkershan ya ka Shnong ban Khang ya ketika Karkhana tat hadu bakinda yo banwan ra Shua ya ketika Longkmie bat lara kimwan ra ya ketika Longkmie kaseng kan shim da kasinjam ka bakham e
If you want to cooperate with us, then I'm going to village also to shut down the factory. Then now, then after the moment we will back here, then we will start. That was the side of so that just shut down factory. Okay, let me now then the moment will be back here. Okay, just go and eat that. You can't have factory. Yes. Shut up for what? 1 day, 2 days. So that if you want to cooperate with us.
If this issue is there, we cannot go against the officials. People are waiting till that's for the officials.
So let's stop that now.
So then give us some time to cool down.
Let's stop that.
And then we will.
Then you will open this one. Man and the woman will be back in. If you want to cooperate with us,
Yeah, why not?
then for the village also. So please shut down the factory till the woman start here. Biar kan kita?
Iya. Kamu itu lemah.
Ambil ya. Bapak itu udah belum. Pukul police.
Police is FIR has already been done by them. Police is in contact with me. They asked them what is the status. And they had blocked police already. They were here with time.
But actually, according to the agreement, if you cooperate with the village,
Yeah,
then you should not allow the police to work out the law. Because they have cooperate with your village.
Can I stop?
Yes. Why can you have owner of this factory?
This is taking any action.
Why do you take action against the factory? Because we know that from our side, the village also tell us that
Once it is time to properly discuss it.
no, they have changed it. They have changed. We know properly that. So if we just allow you to go back, then we will lock from here. You see, from the villages, according to the agreement, they want to cooperate. But you don't accept it. So if you accept it, then you must cooperate with them. You know how to build the law. Then now, if you cooperate with them, so let's shut down the factory. Let's shut down the factory. For a while. Okay. Just for a while. So that the owner of the company, they'll take full responsibility. Bring back the man and the woman, run away from this place. Then after that, you can run.